Hey there guys, Christy B coming back at ya. Forgot my gloves. This video is dedicated to Ansdrent, and the last name I can't spell, to see black, red with gold cells. So that's what I'll be doing today. So, the colors we used, well, I started out with this cadmium red deep hue, which was kind of pinkish. So I added Barn Red Shimmer by Porridge Posse. And I'm using Dowler Rowney Black as my black. And of course 24 karat gold as my gold cells. Okay, so let's layer a cup. Oh, I think I want red to come out on top. So we're going to make small layers so there's lots of red amongst the black. Can you all see my coat? I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do a ring pour or a straight pour. Either way, it's not too hard to do. So, I think I'm going to have more than enough paint after this for this little canvas. And one more layer of red. Alright, now the secret to making gold cells in any color is you put a little bit of this down first. And this is all mixed with Floetrol. No water, because you want it to be thick for your rings or straight. We're going to make a little puddle. Kind of spread it out just a little bit. Alright. So let's do this. I guess it's going to be a straight pour, huh? I want to kind of get over here. I like this though. Hope I'm not mixing this too much to where it's going to all mix together. And you just let it flow out the cup. Alright, I've got way more than enough paint. Thought about spinning this. Just because it doesn't lose your composition as much. So we're going to put some black around the outside for our flow extender. Well, maybe I should use gold. We'll use gold on this side. Because when these paints go over this gold, the gold ends up popping through. I hope this paint don't make a liar of me. Alright, spread this out a little. And I'm not worried about that drip there because it will come off when I spin it. Alright, black stick. Very cool effect. I haven't done a lot of straight pours. I've done some, not a lot. Well, I'm gonna have to crop my cigarettes out. Alright guys, meet you at the spinner. Alright guys, we're down at the spinner. A little further this way. Oh, look at that paint go off. That was a lot of paint. One more time, I'm loving these. You want to get your paint thin so that you can, the gold will pop through. See the gold starting to pop through in places. One more. Then we'll watch it develop. Alright, I think we got it thin enough. The gold's really starting to pop through. Look at some of them details. Very pretty. Now let's wait and watch the gold pop out. Hold on a second and I'll put it on the drying rack. And I added a little water to the black, a little water to the red, not to the gold. See if maybe that helps create more cells. So we'll layer a cup again. Oh, come on, popsicle stick. That should be plenty for this little cup. This little canvas. So we're going to do a straight pour again. Just with a little thinner consistencies. Alright, I'm going to dump this here for a flow extender. on that side. Kind of push it up against your paint. Hope that stays on there. It looks like a red rose. Maybe I should do a ring pour. Okay, I guess we'll use some black. Put some black over this gold. Alright, let's tilt. Just a little. Gold's popping up already. Maybe the thinner consistency helps it work better. Where's that rose at? I think it's distorted already. I need to go off this edge. Gold does not like to be silenced. Come on. Alright. I think I'm gonna spin it once and thin it out some, and I'll take you down for a close-up later. Alright, let's do one more at the request of my viewer. This time we're going to do a ring pour. I'm just going to put a little pillow down. Well, it's not a pillow. A little gold down. Layer a cup real quick. Red, black, oh, you popsicle stick. Black, red, black, red. One more time with the black, because I wasn't impressed how it didn't cover last time. My puddle. One more. Alright, so let's just do it again. I hope that wasn't a clump. My rings aren't turning out very good. Some of this stuff out of my way. Alright. Called it. Not very good rings. Must be out of practice. I'm going to roll over that gold. Kind of with that center in the center, so I don't lose it on the spinner. Because that's what I'm going to do is spin it. Can you see the gold cells underneath here? Alright, let's go to the spinner. Let's torch it real fast. The gold's already coming up. Alright, let's give her a spin. I don't think we're even. There we go. That's better. Oh, it just sheeted off. Come back here. Alright. Kind of want this circle in the middle. Or at least close to the middle. Alright, try it again. Thinking about taking a skewer to that center just to make it more round without that, but that's almost gone. One more time, really good. Round and round we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. Alright. I think that's as thin as we can get it. And next time you see me, we'll be doing a close-up of all three. Alright. Here it is. Well, this one was the first one. I think the paint was too thick for the gold to pop through. Or maybe when I walk away, it'll be a bunch more. But I like the little fingers, flame-looking things there. And up there. See the shimmer? That's the gold. This is my second one, where I thinned the top paint a little less than the gold. It seemed to have popped up more gold cells. I do believe gold will start poking through right there. There's some gold poking through. If they change, I'll take pictures of them and post them at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Push all them buttons. Till next time. See ya. Bye.